What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right now I just got off work. I need to actually literally rush home. So I have to go home, do a conference call. Hopefully I can make it home in enough time. I have like literally less than half an hour to make it home, get to my computer, get on the conference call. But I'm so happy it's Friday. I'm taking off Monday. It's a long weekend. I'm in the Miata still, so we're gonna have some fun. All right, let's drive home and yeah, let's get everything started. About to jump on my meeting. Have to do this real quick. Look at this. Setting up my computer out here just so I can have more room. Just so I have a little bit more room, a little more privacy so the dogs don't jump out. This is what I gotta work with. It's funny. Meeting done. Weekend's gonna, well, I still gotta actually do some stuff, but the weekend's gonna start. I just wanna point this out. Look at this. I have, literally, I'm on our porch, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get some stuff accomplished. So that's done, taken care of. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy this weekend. I am hot. It is burning up hot outside. I tried to go outside to do the meeting, but the Wi-Fi wasn't gonna reach, so did it out here. It is absolutely scorching. So we're gonna get up, we're gonna go inside, and we're gonna see what's going on. All right, it's a couple hours later. Still did not finish editing this other video that needs to go up. I've been doing everything on my phone because, oh, can't even see. My camera is charging. You can't see any of this, but my camera's charging, so I'm still going off of my phone. We're gonna go take the Miata out for a quick little rip. Help me undo the roof real quick. Got it. Hang on. Oh, good. And that's off. Oh, I do need to get some gas in here. One-handed. Let's see. Oh god. We're good. So, just got some gas at the res. Those were completely up. 18 bucks. There's literally nothing out here. Oh, get in here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Just want to point out how to do an ATM transaction. It's so high compared to the Miata. This is crazy. Literally have to go so high up. Finally just finished that. It is 1:34 a.m. Oh my goodness. This isn't even like that great of a video, but just got done editing. Oh my god. Alright. No one ever tells you about the amount of work it takes to do YouTube. Just literally, it is 1:35. I still have to get a thumbnail out. I'm gonna do that tomorrow probably, because I'm gonna take a thumbnail. I gotta get the cards out to do it. It's just so much stuff. I'm definitely tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. We'll pick this up tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be filming on my actual camera tomorrow. I'll pick this up in the morning. All right, so this is the next day. A little bit unorthodox. Put you guys down. So yeah, so I just called the shop. Actually, I was able to put some air inside the tire. I have like a little portable like air compressor thing. I was able to put some air inside the tire. It's holding the air. I called the one shop that I normally go to. They said they can patch a tire really quick, so I'm just gonna ride there. I'm behind this giant truck thing. It's going so slow. Oh, I'm trying to, like, it's not very far from where we live, but it's just, I don't want to, you know, I want to get there before my thing gets flat. So I'm trying to hurry up, but we'll see what's up. I was gonna take the whole tire off, but they said they could do it real quick, and it's holding air, so I'm gonna do that. So, all right, fingers crossed, everything works out. No! Look, he's up on the tree. Dogs, move. Garrus, get down. What a great time at the park. Oh yeah, there's people. When me and Matt were here earlier, people waved to us. Really? Yeah, and they were driving by. Just want to point out how close we are to physical Canada. Right there. Okay, what's up guys? So this is the next day. A lot of stuff has happened last night. So we dropped the Focus RS off. So it turns out I wanted to see if I can get that tire plugged, just to see if it was able to be plugged. I took it to the shop that I normally go to. They said it could be, but it was probably best to not. So I said it's fine. I have another tire coming in, so it'll be here Monday, tomorrow. Today's Sunday. So when that comes in, I'm just drop it off to them. They have the cars. It's at the shop now. It's inside, so they'll just do it then. So that should be good. After that, we actually went out exploring, had some fun yesterday. I love the fact that we live so close to Canada. Like, we can literally look over the Niagara River and just see Canada. So that's pretty cool. So we just went, we hung out. Right now, I'm just in the Miata. I'm gonna go hang out with a friend, and so I gotta drive all the way into the city. So we're gonna have some fun. I was thinking, should I take the Veloster, but no, honestly, I'm actually, the more and more I'm driving the Miata, the more and more I'm like, I forgot, and I kind of like it a lot. It's just so, it's so small. But yeah, we're gonna jump in this thing and go for a ride. So let's do it. Let's sit here. Let's like stumble over this seat and fix it rust. Yeah, let's go over there.
I want to put my feeders in.
All right, so back in the Miata. All right, I gotta unlock it. What a great day. Great way to end the day in the Miata. Guys, so this has been one crazy video. I'm gonna end the video here just because it has been a long video. This is just kind of a vlog. I have no idea what honestly have no idea what any of the content is inside this video, but I want to show you guys just kind of like a quick weekend in my life. I do a lot of stuff like exploring out and doing stuff like that. Also, on a quick side note, we almost hit 2 deer literally inside the Miata. I think in the last clip you saw when I was just driving it home last night, 2 deer came out of nowhere. I did not see them at all, so we almost hit them completely. I literally looked at Angelia for 2 seconds, looked up. There were 2 deer right in front of me. I barely, just slightly moved over to the left. We were probably 6 inches away from them. So yeah, that would have been fun. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as the YouTube channel. And like that, we're out of here, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.